In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any text, image, or shape in your PDF into a clickable link, how to test it, and how to change or remove it if needed. First, open your PDF. Head over to docchub.com and upload the file you want to edit, or open it from your documents if it's already there. Once your PDF is on the screen, remember that hyperlinks can be added to text, images, or even drawn shapes, so pick the spot you want to make clickable. Next, activate the link tool. Look to the top toolbar and select Insert, then choose Link. Depending on your version, it might simply be labeled Link Tool. When you select it, your cursor should change to a crosshair, which means you're ready to draw the area that will become the link. Now select the link area. Click and drag to draw a box over the text or image you want to make clickable, then release your mouse to set it. It's a good idea to make the box just a tiny bit larger than the text so it's easy for anyone to click. If you need precision, zoom in for a clean fit around your content. Add the hyperlink in the pop-up that appears. Type or paste a valid URL. For a website, include the full address, such as starting with HTTPS. For an email link, use the mail to format followed by the email address. If your version offers it, you can choose whether the link opens in a new tab or window, which is useful when you want readers to keep your PDF open. When you're ready, click Apply or Save to confirm. It's important to test your link. Switch to preview mode so you're seeing the PDF the way your audience will. Click the linked text or image and make sure it opens exactly where you intended. If it doesn't, double-check the URL format and that there are no extra spaces. If you need to make changes later, editing or removing a hyperlink is straightforward. Click the link area to select it, choose Edit to update the URL, and confirm your changes. To remove it entirely, select the link and choose Delete Link. You can also resize the clickable box if you want to adjust how much area is clickable. That's it. You've learned how to add, test, and manage hyperlinks in DocHub, keeping your PDFs interactive and easy to navigate.